What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you my stool. Hey, maybe there are those times that you just need to get a little higher, whether it's getting the plates out of the top shelf or changing a light bulb, or in my case, I'm too short to get into my washing machine because it's a top loader. So I picked this up. It's a Superio folding step stool, easy to carry. And I picked this up as I rip off the plastic here because this is actually one of the taller ones, and generally they have a pretty good weight capacity. Now, there's a picture of a kid on the back because these are often for kids to be able to access stuff, you know, when you store things in rooms, but there's no reason an adult can't use it too. So here is the thing, and it is a very tall 13 inches. Now, I've shown you some stools here that are much shorter, and those are for just using around the house, but this one I liked because it was going to give me some more space. What you can see here is maximum, it's like maybe 2.5 inches thick. So this will slide under a cupboard, you know, on a shelf, all those types of things. You can see it's only probably about a foot or so wide up here, maybe, you know, 15 inches or so, and then only about 18 or 20 inches long. And it's all folded up like that with a little handle, little finger grooves in there too. So these are really easy to set up. Boom, that's the magic. And you can see it's all set up. And then to close it up, you usually just pull up on this handle and it all origamis back into its flat state. Now, I do want to show you here on the top, we have some little foam pads that'll help give you a little bit of grip. There's a little texture to the top too. On the sides, we have them all cut out here, and you can see on the inside we have some, you know, ribs here that give it some structure. And I can tell you that seems nice and sturdy, but how does it work? All right, here's the stool. Quick deployment, just as easy as that. And let's see if my big self can get up on this and not crush it. So there we go. Boom, look at that. Woo! I'm on top of it, so it obviously holds me in. Man, I'm really tall. I can actually touch the ceiling now and get to the top of the cupboard, in the laundry machine, whatever I need. So if you want something like this so that you can have it around your house to get access to everything that you need, check it out. The thing was pretty cheap too, like 10 bucks. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out!